Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time since I've posted to my YouTube channel, but I am back with a brand new video. This time I will be unboxing a package that I got from Go Sleek Hair Company. Hope you enjoy. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Y'all, this packaging is immaculate. Like, from the pretty bow to the quality of the boxes, it's definitely giving luxury and sleek and chic and just all the things. So I had to mention that. So first up, we've got the Go Sleek hair holder. Really happy about my purchase. It is super durable. The quality is amazing, and I'm super excited to use these on my extensions. The install was super easy. You just attach the suction cups and place it on a flat surface. I decided to use my mirror, especially if you're styling in the bathroom. It works perfectly. My second item is the Go Sleek Professional Ceramic Styling Iron. This thing heats up super fast. I love it. It comes with an instruction booklet. It also includes this cute velvet travel bag, super cute. This thing is amazing. It has moisture locking capabilities, automatic temperature control, and the plates are 1.5 inches, so it's a really great size. Like, if you need to be on the go, if you're traveling, or if you're at home, it's perfect pretty much anywhere. It also has 5 different temperature settings ranging from 230 degrees all the way up to 470 degrees. Now it's time to put this thing to the test. I'm going to straighten my kinky Cali clip ins and stay tuned to see how I style them. Here you can see the difference between the clip-ins after being flat ironed versus how they are in their natural state. Super soft, both very shiny. Can't wait to show you how they look. Okay, so I have installed my clip-ins. Looks very natural, very cute, you know. I just have this top section on both sides parted so that I can get the front of my hair to blend a little better. Not gonna lie, my natural hair, it's somewhat fine. Yes, it is naturally curly, but when I straighten it, it doesn't necessarily match the kinky texture too well. So that's why I'm straightening the clip in just for blending purposes. So as you can see, just taking the front pieces and straightening a little bit. I love this flat iron, by the way. Okay. I think that's good enough for now. So I'm gonna unclip the hair that I sectioned off. Comb that down. on this side down. Okay. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the back too. This is what the back of the hair looks like. And I got the 16 inches, very mindful, a very modest length, very natural. You see what I mean right here though? This part is bothering me, but it's okay, because you know what? When my hair gets frizzy, like my natural hair, when my natural hair gets frizzy, it's going to blend a lot better. Because I live in Georgia and it's still humid, even though it's fall. So, you know, it works for me. I love it. I like it. And there you have it. The Cali Kinky Straight Hair. Go Sleek also sells hair accessories, hot tools, as you've seen in my video. Oh, I almost forgot. If you want to see how I install the hair, please let me know down in the comments below. And I got you. I'm going to show y'all. Do a little tutorial. Make sure if you shop the hair or any of the accessories, hot tools, etc. at GoSleek.com that you use my code. It's in the caption below. You can find the link in my bio. The code is Tiara. It's my name. Very easy for y'all to use. Get money off. Save some coin and look good. Okay? Okay? Bye. And I know you're gonna like it too.